I don't know how many men can say no to a woman that is interested in them. Not an ugly woman, by the way, but a beautiful woman. Not just beautiful, but she has the resources to beautify herself. You know, there are people who are beautiful, but then you don't get to see their beauty. But there are people who have the resources and they are beautiful and they beautify themselves. One time my son told me that at that time, the Potiphar had a choice to be changing women like clothes. So most likely this he had was a young thing, a very young girl. And so she beautified herself, and it's hard. And not many men, I must say, that can say no to a woman who is interested in them. That's why some men end up marrying wrong. Because this girl is pursuing them, they are so familiar to being rejected. They have tried here, they are rejected, they are rejected, they are rejected. Eventually, when one wants them, they cannot say no, even if they are not interested. But imagine Joseph said no, he even ran away and left his clothes. But that is not even the sad bit. The sad bit is he's thrown into prison for a crime he has not committed. So he would have said, I would even have done it because I didn't do. Now I'm in prison. But in prison, he was still faithful. Can you see? Do you know that there are people who are free, but they are more imprisoned than those who are in prison? You may be walking free, but mentally you are so imprisoned than the person who is in prison. So Joseph was in prison, but he could still be trusted. And there you know how the story went. The cupbearer and the baker of Pharaoh, you know, they were imprisoned, and you know they had dreams, and Joseph was able to interpret for them the dream. The baker was executed, but the cupbearer was reinstated. And Joseph said, please, when you go to the palace, will you remember me? But did he remember him? He didn't. Are there people that you have helped and you think that they are going to remember you, but they get into places and they don't remember you? Some of us could be strategizing with the 2027 presidential, not just presidential, but you could be strategizing with the 2027 candidates. You're trying to be very close to them because they are vying so that you're close to power. I don't want to disappoint you, but chances are when they get into the seat of power, they will forget you. Chances are they will forget you. So, isn't it? Ama mtu wetu, tuko na ule mtu wetu vying for presidential. Vote for him, but don't think that they will necessarily remember you. They may not remember you because they are human beings.
Get the point. Take a step forward.